Welcome to series Raji's Cuisine. Today we will be making flower bean puree seasoned with hot spices. For this recipe, Raji suggests that you use fresh flower beans which are a bit old, not because you want some starchiness. You don't want the yellow beans, but you want the green beans, so that the color of the beans is added to the soup. And she says the sweet spices of garam masala definitely add an intriguing touch to the soup. And this is a perfect side dish for any meat or poultry dishes where you can just add the starchiness from the flower beans. So I have not personally used a lot of flower beans. I got some frozen flower beans which are fresh frozen. I'm going to see how this tastes, because I do like the flower bean taste, and I'm really excited to see how the hot spices add a special touch to it. So let's look at the ingredients needed for flower bean puree seasoned with hot spices.
For our flower bean puree seasoned with hot spices, I have taken one cup, that is around 300 grams of flower beans. In case you don't have flower beans, you can use lima beans also, but it will be a little bit milder than flower beans. And taken 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, jalapeno pepper, quarter of it nicely de-seeded and sliced, garam masala, Raji's garam masala, around 1/8 teaspoon, 1 clove of garlic nicely minced, pepper and salt to taste, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee. In a small saute pan, add water and bring it to boil. Add a little salt to it, and now the water is boiling, so add our beans, onion, chili and garlic, and let it come to boil. Once this starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes on low heat. It's almost coming to boil. Boiling. Let's reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes until the beans become tender. So the water is just enough to cover the beans, actually. That's how much I put. So I put around 1 cup of flower beans. So I kept around 1.5-2 cups of hot water. Since these are fresh flower beans and not dried flower beans, I didn't soak them, but you could soak the dried flower beans and keep them. Beans are nice and tender. You're going to switch off the heat. And now drain this out, so you can just puree just the flower beans once they cool off, and keep the liquid that comes out of this beans. I'm draining the flower beans so we can make a puree of it. Save the water that's come from it so we can use it for our soup. I'm going to make a thick puree of these beans, adding a little bit of this cooked water, and then we are going to saute this later. Now put the puree in a saute pan on medium heat. Now beat in the ghee and garam masala into this. So basically mix it nicely and let this blend in for like a couple of minutes before we are going to serve this. So this dish goes perfectly well with any chicken or poultry dish or a meat dish, or by itself. Add a little salt. Check this seasoning and add a little salt and the pepper that we have already put it on the side. We did not add pepper, but we added salt before, so check the seasoning. And so this is going to be ready in another minute, as soon as all the spices get blended in, and you can serve it right away. The garam masala smell is amazing. black pepper. So now this is ready to be served. Switched off the heat. I'm going to serve it immediately. Flower bean puree seasoned with hot spices is ready to be served. I added a little cilantro for garnish. Enjoy.